Before this video starts, I just want to apologize for the lag in the video. It is just OBS being bad. But anyways, to the actual video part. This is the third video in, I guess, my series of World of Thunder devlogs and like dev builds or whatever. In this, I fixed the gun because before when you shot up or down, the bullet would not go the direction the barrel is pointed, but now it does. And the way I did this is I just reused code from a flight sim prototype that I made a while back. It was a really simple fix, and I'm kind of pissed because it took so long to figure out. And that is why I haven't made a World of Thunder video, just because I wasn't working on it, because I got so mad I just decided to just not work on it, and yeah. But I'm back, and now that I have all the core mechanics working, I can finally start adding more vehicles and actual maps in the game.